Okay, folks, welcome to Nature is Therapeutic, and today we are here at Hampton Pines, and we're going to do a walkthrough. As always, folks, nature is therapeutic. Let's begin, shall we? Nice little campground area. Have the grill, picnic tables. See if we see any wildlife here. The trails seem to go everywhere. They go this way, that way, starting off, so there's really no sign. So unless I stay on the path, they have a pavement, but you know I like the wooded areas. I'm gonna end it on the pavement. When I do end it, maybe that just takes you around. I'm gonna stay on the inner trails and see if we see anything. There are people on the concrete areas, I noticed, because this is all actually a park and a nature trail area. So I think this might be a short one as well. Not much going on, guys. I don't think this is a big park or a trail walk, so what I'm gonna do is it looks like it goes in circles. I'm gonna hop right back on the pavement. You know, some places I go to, they might be smaller, bigger, or very small. But the object is, I'm trying to show all the parks, no matter what size they are. You know, never know, one of you guys maybe want to come to one of these parks. So you'll know ahead of time how the environment is, what can be seen, all that. So let's do it, folks. But I do see other things that I can go look at, but we're gonna do this first. Very well paved and wide. I can tell you that. Looks like there's a lake over here as well. Let's go over here and take a look. Okay, there is a lake. see, shall we? It's pretty nice out today. Pretty cool out here. We got Trojan families walking around off trails. And the place looks pretty big as far as on the outer wooded areas. They don't give you much trail, I see. So we're gonna take a look and see. It's a pretty lake. Actually see fish down there. Okay, here we go. A map. If anything, this is a nice walkway. It seems that it goes in a big circle for jogging and things like that, roller skating. See, they have a campsite. So yeah, loading dock, fitness trail, playgrounds. So it's pretty cool. As far as that. As far as wildlife, haven't seen much fish. That's about it. Tell you one thing, it smells awesome out here. There are people grilling, making me hungry, man. So we're gonna just walk the whole park. Why not? There are people out here running and walking. Like I said, it's pretty nice out here. There's another park area. Walk all the way around, folks. I think this is going to be a long walk. Pretty long. It's amazing over here. Looks like the lake goes around and circles well. You know. I think this trail goes in a circle and then maybe swings back around on this side, going back towards the other side, which is cool. So we'll see what we see, you know. It's not much going on as far as animals. And it's probably because there's a lot of people out. Maybe had I came here early in the morning when the gates open, it may have been different, you know. Hey, I wonder if that wooded area over there is the campgrounds. Maybe I can walk through there. That looks wooded over there, right? I'm gonna go take a peek. How about that? This place is huge. If that's the case, it's like it leads out to a whole nother trail or something. So we shall see, folks. Pretty nice restroom area over there. Supposedly, they have Halloween here, night for the children and family, where they scare the hell out you, I guess. It's like a Halloween walkthrough. Now, I can imagine something like that. It'll probably be spooky at night a little bit. Seems pretty cool. I would go to something like that. All right, let's see where it's taking me. I don't see anybody back here. Hope this ain't taking me to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre's house or anything like that. I don't want to have Leatherface chasing me around the woods. What do you guys think? You guys think the legendary myth, Bigfoot, you think he'll hang around in a place like this? This might be the type of place he'll hang. It's not deep enough in woods, but maybe he'll come and visit. Being that he's all over the states in every city, and he's always looking different, right? The things people make up, I don't believe that crap. I actually don't know where this is taking me, but hey, I'm enjoying the walk. Maybe it's going around the other side. Telling me to stay on the trail again, that only makes me want to go see what you're hiding from, okay? Do we have coyotes here? Because I didn't see anything seen about coyotes. But, you know what? Let's go off the trail, shall we? As always, no one's around. And actually, it just looks like there's patches where they end and go back to something else. So I might as well get right back on the trail. This is not a big wooded area. Something's definitely living in there. Beautiful butterfly. Beautiful. They do have butterflies. I'm seeing those different spots. Um, the air is amazing. Really amazing. We got a guy on rollerblades. Got a guy on rollerblades. He's jamming with his music. Flew past me. There's a lot going on here. There's actually picnics going on right now and things like that. So, yeah, this looks like a lead inlet in a circle. I'm actually coming right back through the restroom area that I mentioned and going around the other way. So, yeah. It smells amazing out here, I'll tell you that. All type of different things going on here. You know, pretty amazing. Hello.
Hi.
Pretty amazing. Hey, is that a path I see? I'm sure it probably leads to nowhere, but let's go anyway. Let's go anyway, shall we? It's about 80 today, 83 right now, but with the shade around here, feels a little cooler. And there's a wind. Okay, this trail is still moving. Pretty cool. So I hope you guys this day go well today. Me, I'm just doing as usual. Enjoying nature. One thing I can say, this is a huge park, but they could have did better with the trails. They're wasting a lot of wooded area that they don't really want people to walk through. The city should make more trails here. They have the room for it. As you can see, the water that goes around the park. This is going to lead right back to the pavement walkway. That's a beautiful lake. Can't say that. There's another queuing area. Looks nice. Let's take a look at the lake, folks. Seen fish on the other one. Don't see one over here. I'm sure they're there. The breeze off the lake feels amazing. Okay, let's move on, shall we? No vehicles over 1,000 pounds, folks. You're gonna have to keep Big Shirley at home. All right, what's over here? Got a lot of shells now. Says do not feed the animals, but I haven't seen not one yet. Must be in the morning. Must be in the morning. Come on, guys, show me a squirrel or something. I hear birds. I'm not seeing nothing. See the mosquito fish at the bottom, they're all around. Just actually learned what those really were. I thought that was just a name that the guy was saying because he made it up, but they actually are called mosquito fish. They eat the mosquitoes. The eggs and all. So, pretty cool. Comes our down the road blaze again. A lot going on here. Looks like we got a kids party getting set up. That's gonna be awesome. Cotton candy maker over there. Oh, they're gonna have a lot of little wild kids running around after all that sugar. Yeah, they are. Looks like it's swung around the other side. I'm going to cut around the outer rim of the place. I think that it's better halfway to see more. Then I'm going to end this video, folks. Go across this bridge. You want to bring family, have barbecues, grill, work out, this is probably the place to come to. As you've seen, there's not much trail walks, but it's just enough of folks that really want to, do a short trail or something like that. I would give the place 6 stars for that. But as far as trying to see really a lot of nature, no, you're not going to see too much at least at this time of day, you know. So I see one bird, but he's pretty much at a distance. And I am ending this video, folks. As always, nature is therapeutic, and don't